Let's add Mercedes-Benz technician certifications in AutoAuth. Log into your account at AutoAuth.com. In the top right corner, click the icon with two wrenches. Select Subscriptions. Click the drop-down box that says Add Tech Certification. Select the number of certifications you want and then click Add Tech Certifications to prompt payment. Confirm the number of technicians you'd like to add, then select Confirm. Let's add technician certifications in AutoAuth. Log into your account at AutoAuth.com. In the top right corner, click the initials, then My Profile. Input phone number under the AutoAuth Certified Technician Status section. Click Send Confirmation Code. Enter the code and select Submit Verification Code. Once the phone number is confirmed, select Verify ID document. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR code. The verification page will appear. Scroll down and select Get Started. Select the checkbox to consent to the terms. Select Agree and Proceed. The next step is taking a selfie. Make sure you follow the instructions listed, then select Start. You may need to allow the site to access the camera. If so, select Allow. The photo will be taken automatically once conditions are correct. Select Continue to confirm. Next, select your country and the document type you'd like to verify. Follow the instructions to take photos of your document. The photo will be taken automatically once the conditions are met. The ID will be scanned, then select Continue to confirm. The process is the same for the back of the ID. Select Continue to confirm. Once confirmed, the process is complete and you can then return to the AutoAuth website. You can now see the phone number and license are confirmed. Select Submit AutoAuth Certification Request. Once certification is complete, you'll see the AutoAuth Certified Technician logo appear. Let's link Mercedes-Benz to a technician profile. Go to altusdrive.com and select Manage Existing Account to log in. Once logged into Technician Profile Manager, navigate to the Security Link tab on the left. Click the blue plus next to Mercedes-Benz US only. Add required information if prompted, either account information and/or shop information. Enter your AutoAuth username and password. Note, to find your username, click your initials on the top right corner of AutoAuth.com. Check the required boxes and save. Finally, restart all diagnostic scan tools connected to this account to sync.